Explore.
To look for new places. Look into. Investigate.
Foreign.
From a different country. Outside. Overseas.
Glad.
Happy. Pleased. Delighted. Cheerful.
However.
Though. Nevertheless. Nonetheless.
Injustice.
Unfairness. Unjustness. Wrong.
International.
Global. Worldwide. Intercontinental.
Lawyer.
Someone who represents people in court. Solicitor. Advocate.
Mention.
To talk about something. Speak of. Refer to.
Policy.
Rules. Guidelines. Code of practice.
Social.
Relating to human society. Communal. Public.
Speech.
Speaking. Verbal communication. Verbal expression.
Staff.
Personnel. Workforce. Employees.
Toward.
Near. Close to.
Wood.
The thing that trees are made of.
Achieve.
Reach. Get. Accomplish. Attain.
Advice.
Counsel. Guide. Recommend.
Already.
Before now. Beforehand. Previously.
Basic.
Very simple or easy. Fundamental. Elementary.
Bit.
A small amount of something.
Consider.
Think about. Ponder. Factor in.
Destroy.
Damage something badly. Ruin. Demolish.
Entertain.
Amuse. Please. Cheer.
Extra.
More. Additional. Redundant. Excessive. Inordinate.
Goal.
Target. Objective. Aim. Intention.
Opinion.
Way of thinking. Thought. Point of view. Stance.
Real.
Actual. Existing. Genuine.
Reflect.
Mirror. Echo. Show.
Regard.
Consider. Contemplate. Look on.
Lie.
Untruth. Falsehood. Fake news.
Meat.
The flesh of animals used as food.
Serve.
To give someone food or drinks. Be in the service of.
Vegetable.
A plant used as food.
Vegan.
Vegetarian. Herbivore.
War.
A big fight. Battle. Combat.
Worth.
Value. Merit.
Appear.
Seem. Look. Come into sight. Show.
Base.
Bottom. Foot.
Brain.
The organ in your head. Mind. Head.
Career.
Job. Occupation. Vocation. Profession.
Clerk.
A type of worker. Office worker.
Effort.
Attempt. Try. Endeavor.
Enter.
Come into. Go in. Get in.
Excellent.
Very good. Wonderful. Brilliant. Marvelous.
Hero.
Idol. Star. Superstar.
Hurry.
Do something quickly. Rush. Dash. Run.
Inform.
Tell. Advice. Notify. Let know.
Later.
Next. Afterwards. Subsequently.
Leave.
Go away. Depart. Abandon.
Locate.
Find. Discover, situate. Place.
Nurse.
Who helps seek people. Caregiver.